Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you can private your business or personal Instagram account. The method is very easy and simple. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to Instagram. Click on your profile. Now click on three dots. Scroll down. Go to account privacy and try to turn it on. Business account can't be private. Then click on three dots again. Now scroll down. Go to Creator Tools and Controls. Scroll down again and go to Switch Account Type. Switch to Personal Account. Switch to Personal Account. When you switch back to a personal account, an app inside will be turned off. Read it carefully and then click on Switch to Personal Account. Your account has been switched to personal. Now go to Account Privacy again. Now turn it on. Switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message or tag you. Now go to another account and see here this account is private. When you go from to another account and see this account is private. In this method you can private your Instagram account. Thanks for watching full video.